How to make teal flyer. First, add 6-axis.
Monday.
Okay.
I just worked.
Okay.
Thursday. Your soda's in there with it.
Okay. Now.
I'm not leaving yet. I just go.
Okay. Now go to the turbulent displays. Let's go to TV. Let's change it to TV.
I'm not leaving. I'll come in here before I leave.
Okay, Mom. Now change scale to make Sony Vegas TV. Like that. And duplicate stretch axis. Now go back to TV. What's going on in here right now? If gradient map is not working, I'll try color size. Okay, let's add gradient map. Teal. Oh, I exited align motion. Even though it's typed with compatible Sony Vegas. Let's take off gradient map because that's not working. Okay, I gotta show its face so I can. Okay, we're actually gonna pick color size as gradient map.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too, Mommy.
Okay.
Hey.
A kiss, kiss.
Hey. Yeah, kiss, kiss.
I'll tell Gammy you're in here, okay?
Okay. Okay, now change the preset to teal flyer. Press it to teal flyer. Then press Expose Gamma. Like that. Now go to waves. Hey guys, I usually say it the way it's Sony Vegas. Press the teal flyer. Okay, let's fix it. Now duplicate waves. Take off keyframings. Spacing. Actually, we're gonna duplicate waves from here. That looks like Happy X. Let's change it like that. Now turn off the sound. Can a master voice change your funny sound is not available, usually not available, because now let's go to Chrome. Search for voice change IO. Okay, create a custom voice. Okay. Load a clip files if you want a video. Look guys, I got this steel flyer wrong. Anyways, I'm gonna press it. What's going on? Okay, click an effect. We're gonna add the new thing that I'm gonna press. Let's press reverse time. It said yo-yo. Now let's click an effect to add wobble pitch distortion. Click to add an effect. First time, press reverse time. The wobble pitch distortion. Press it. Press it teel flyer. What's going on in here, Why are you? Download. Now go back to light motion. Now teel flyer. Audio. What's going on? Fix it. Preview time. What's going on in here, Why are you? Now I'm gonna add it to my list of effects. Oh no! Okay, my lunch. Oh my god. Oh my god, my lunch. Oh my god. Ooh. My lunch fell. Okay. What's going on in here, Why are you? Save. You can upload on YouTube if you want. And I'm gonna add it to my list of HGOI8. Okay, let me add. Oh my goodness! Gonna add media. Bye.